Our question says, make B the subject of the formula, of course, if C equals to AB power 2. So we are going to rewrite our question down here. C equals to A times B squared. Now we are going to, because we are making B the subject of the formula, we are going to try to let B remain alone. So we are going to divide by A on both sides so that B remain alone. So divide by A on the right hand side, and then divide by A on the left hand side. Then after that, A and A cancels out. We remain with 1, we are remaining with 1. So we are going to find that our equation now becomes C over A equals to B power 2. Then C over A equals to B power 2. Now we are going to try to get rid of this power 2 here at the top of B. So we are going to put under root on both sides, on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So we put under radical sign, then under root again on this right hand side. And we are going to find that after we have written like that, then the root cancels with the square here. So we are going to find that B has remained alone. So the square root of C over A now equals to B itself. So we have already now made B the subject of the formula. So that will be the end of this question.